This diagram is talking about the types of oblique projection, the types of oblique projection, and also the differences between the two types of oblique projection. So as you can see here, we have two types of oblique projection. We have the cabinet oblique projection and we have the cavalier oblique projection. And what is different between these two types of oblique projection? So coming here, as I said, that this is the cabinet of the oblique projection, this is the cavalier oblique projection. Let me start with the cavalier oblique projection. In the case of cavalier oblique projection, the receding line is drawn full size. The receding line is drawn full size, and don't forget that the receding line or the receding axis of an oblique object is always at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal. So for the receding line here, which is at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal, it is drawn full for a cavalier oblique projection, which means that if the length of the receding axis is 20 millimeters, we make it 20 millimeters for a cavalier oblique projection. But for a cabinet oblique projection, the receding axis is still at angle 45 degrees, but we draw half size of the receding line of the receding axis. So as we have in the cavalier oblique projection, the receding line, as I gave an example, is 20 millimeters, but for cabinet oblique projection it will be drawn 10 millimeters. That is what this diagram is telling us. So the difference between the two types of oblique projection, the cabinet oblique projection and the cavalier oblique projection, as I said, for cavalier oblique projection, receding axis is drawn full size, and for cabinet oblique projection, receding axis is drawn half size. Thank you.